So today I am going to discuss about the peak detector circuit using op-amp. Now this is the basic circuit of positive peak detector. Here you can see I have introduced one diode at the output of this op-amp, and in non-inverting terminal I have connected the input signal, and there is a capacitor which is connected to the output of op-amp. Now, and we also have one MOSFET reset switch which is connected here. Now, if we see this, initially the capacitor may not be charged. So the charge on the capacitor may be 0 initially. So if charge on capacitor is 0 initially, the voltage to the inverting input terminal may be 0 initially. Now, when the input voltage becomes positive, suppose the input voltage is positive like this. So when the input voltage becomes slightly positive, then the output is positive, and it is sufficiently positive to make this diode on. So this diode becomes on, and in on condition we can approximate to be a short circuit. So there is a full connection to this output. The output of op-amp is connected to this output, and then this circuit just behaves like a voltage follower. That means whatever input, when we are giving positive, whatever positive voltage I am giving here, I am getting this output voltage. So, but this continues only when the input voltage is peak maximum. So, when the input voltage is increasing and it is positive, then output voltage is also following the input voltage, and this capacitor is getting charged, and it is charge is accumulating on this capacitor, and the capacitor holds the charge. Now, when Vi becomes peak maximum, then what happens? The capacitor, the output voltage is also maximum, and the capacitor holds the maximum charge. Maximum voltage the capacitor is having, and it is holding that voltage in the form of charges. Now, when the positive is from maximum when it is coming down, from maximum when the positive voltage is coming down, it is decreasing, then what is happening? Charge is retaining its maximum voltage because there is no discharge path. So input voltage may be coming down from maximum to lower, but the voltage on capacitor is still maximum. Suppose it is Vm, so voltage here is still Vm because capacitor is holding the charge, but the input has become less than Vm. Now, now if this is Vm, this is connected. That means now it is not 0, it is now Vm. But the input voltage has become less than maximum, it has come down. So in this case, voltage at inverting input is more then input at non-inverting input voltage. So this output of op amp will now become negative. So output of op amp will become now negative and the diode will be reverse biased and it will become off. Reverse bias means we can replace diode with an open circuit. That means output of op amp and this output is disconnected. So this output will continue to remain Vm although input voltage is now decreasing. So as long as Vi is less than Vm, which is the peak voltage, this will go on, it will remain at Vm. So the output voltage, if I plot with input, it is rising. When it reaches maximum, here I am showing from 0 as input is rising, it is rising. But when it reaches Vm, it remains at Vm output. But my input voltage from maximum, it has come down. So it is remaining at Vm. As long as input is less than Vm, it will, the output here, this output will remain at Vm. Yes, if the waveform is such that in the next peak is higher, then when Vi exceeds Vms, this is my Vm, my waveform can be arbitrary. It can happen that next cycle, in the next peak, it is higher than previous. Then Vi will exceed Vm, then again it will become positive, and then again it will trace till it reaches new maximum, and then again it will hold. So finally, this output here will always hold the maximum voltage and positive peak. That is why it is called positive peak detector. And if I want to start over again by discharging the capacitor, I have to connect one MOSFET reset switch. So if I close this switch, the capacitor will discharge to ground, and we can again do a new peak value. This is positive peak detector. Now for negative peak detector, you just have to reverse the diode. This diode you reverse, so instead of peak detector, it will detect the negative peak. So you can see this waveform that I explained, that it is holding the peak. This is output. When it is peak, it is holding till we reach a new maximum. So what is the application of this type of circuit? In amplitude modulation.